Hey, it's Josh here. This is a video exclusively for those of you who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to pop in to let you know that I've got some exciting things in store for the rest of 2021 and into 2022. A lot of you have been asking me and been curious about where the tutorials and other web design videos have gone. As a lot of you know, I've been posting the video interviews of my podcast up to the YouTube channel here, generally once a week. And you've been wondering where are the other videos? Well, I'm really excited to let you know from now on through the rest of the year and again into 2022, you can expect more Divi tutorials, more WordPress tutorials, and more videos in and around web design, business side of things to help you in your business. So I'm really excited to kick this off. On average, you're going to be getting an additional video a week, which is again going to be a Divi tutorial, WordPress tutorial, or web design video. I'm still going to continue to post my video interviews of the podcast, but you'll get another additional video on average once a week. So I'm really excited to kick this new chapter off. Quite frankly, the reason they've kind of stopped for a little while is I've been so busy with working on my web design courses, and I just recently passed 1,000 students. So I've been supporting more students and really working hard on my site to make sure I give the best premium resources to everybody. So my web design courses are in full, and they're continuing to be updated and revamped. I also recently launched my web design club, which is my private community. If you'd like to check that out, if you'd be interested in getting coaching from me and joining my private community, it's the most incredible little place in the internet. I'd love to get to know more about your business and to help you in your journey. So I've been focusing a lot on those resources, but I understand that when you look at my YouTube channel, you see a lot of interviews. You're probably wondering, is Josh ever going to post another tutorial or a WordPress type of video? Yes, I am. I'm really excited to start this new journey. In fact, if you're watching this video the day it comes out, I'm just about to release the first Divi tutorial in this next wave of videos. So can't wait to help you in your journey even further. And then on that note, if I can help you in 3 areas, either learning web design, starting and growing your business, or helping you scale your business, I just created a new resource for you, which is a 10-step action plan, depending on where you are. Head over to this page, joshhall.co/get started. And again, you can choose whether you want to learn how to build websites if you're new to the journey. Maybe you can build websites, but you really want to start and grow your business, go here. Or if you have an existing business and you want to scale it to 6 figures and beyond, head here because I have an action plan just for you, depending on where you are in your journey. And again, I'm really excited to help you further in your journey and to post more Divi tutorials, WordPress tutorials, and web design videos. I've missed it. I'm really excited to be back with it though. You have asked, I have listened, and I'm about to deliver on some fun resources for you. So thank you for hanging with me and for being a subscriber to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this and you haven't yet subscribed, just click below to subscribe and click the little bell icon to make sure you get notified when the next video is live. So from the rest of the year here, you can expect on average at least 2 videos a week from me. So let's do this. I'm excited to help you in your journey. Let's do this thing. Cheers.